Cauliflower. Fun facts about cauliflower. Cauliflower, a member of the Brassicaceae family, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable. Here are some interesting facts to share with your friends and family. Botanical curiosities. Flower clusters. The white part of cauliflower is actually a cluster of unopened flower buds. Color variations. While the most common type is white, cauliflower can also be found in purple, orange, and yellow varieties. Related to broccoli. Cauliflower and broccoli are closely related, sharing the same parent plant. Nutritional nuggets. A low-calorie powerhouse. Cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A vitamin C rich. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost immunity. Fiber-filled. Cauliflower is a great source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health. Historical highlights. Ancient origins. Cauliflower is believed to have originated in the eastern Mediterranean region thousands of years ago. Roman delight. The Romans were known to cultivate cauliflower and considered it a delicacy. Modern popularity. Cauliflower has gained popularity in recent years due to its versatility and nutritional benefits. Fun and quirky facts. Cauliflower pizza crust. Cauliflower can be used to make a low-carb pizza crust, making it a popular choice for those following specific diets. Cauliflower rice. This popular alternative to rice is made by pulsing cauliflower florets in a food processor. Cauliflower steaks. Cauliflower can be cut into steaks and grilled, offering a meaty texture and flavor. Cauliflower cultivation. A closer look. Cauliflower, a member of the Brassicaceae family, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that has gained popularity in recent years. Its cultivation requires specific conditions to produce high-quality heads. Growing conditions. Climate. Cauliflower thrives in cool climates with plenty of sunlight. It is typically grown in regions with mild summers and cool winters. Soil. Well-draining soil rich in organic matter is ideal for cauliflower cultivation. The soil pH should be slightly acidic, 6.0 to 6.8. Sunlight. Cauliflower requires at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Planting and care. Planting time. The optimal planting time varies depending on the climate, but generally, it is best to plant cauliflower in the spring or fall. Spacing. Plants should be spaced about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for adequate airflow and sunlight. Watering. Regular watering is essential for healthy cauliflower growth, especially during hot, dry weather. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. Cauliflower is a heavy feeder, so it is important to fertilize regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Pest and disease control. Monitor your cauliflower plants for pests and diseases, such as aphids, cabbage worms, and blackleg. Take appropriate measures to control these problems. Harvesting. Timing. Cauliflower heads should be harvested when they are firm, compact, and white. Avoid harvesting heads that are too small or too large. Cutting. Cut the head at the base with a sharp knife, leaving a few inches of stem attached. By following these guidelines, you can successfully cultivate healthy and delicious cauliflower in your garden. Nutritional benefits of cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that offers a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits. Low-calorie powerhouse. Weight management. Cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. And nutrient-dense. Despite its low-calorie content, Cauliflower is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vitamin C rich. Immune system support. Cauliflower is a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system. Skin health. Vitamin C is also important for collagen production, which contributes to healthy skin. Fiber-filled food. Digestive health. The fiber in cauliflower promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Weight management. Fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, aiding in weight control. Nutrient-dense vegetable. Other vitamins and minerals. Cauliflower also provides small amounts of other essential nutrients, including vitamin K, potassium, and manganese. Versatile ingredient. Meal planning. Cauliflower can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to main courses and snacks. The dietary restrictions. It is a great option for those following low-carb, gluten-free, or vegan diets. Cauliflower-licious meals. A versatile vegetable. Cauliflower is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Here are some delicious ideas to inspire your next meal. Appetizers and sides. Roasted cauliflower florets. Toss cauliflower florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast until crispy. Cauliflower mash, a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes, made with cauliflower, garlic, and butter. Cauliflower tots, a tasty and low-carb twist on potato tots. Main courses. Cauliflower steak. Cut cauliflower into steaks and grill or roast for a hearty and flavorful meal. Cauliflower curry. A creamy and flavorful curry made with cauliflower, coconut milk, and spices. Cauliflower fried rice. A healthier version of fried rice, made with cauliflower instead of rice. Desserts. Cauliflower cake. A moist and delicious cake made with cauliflower, perfect for those following low-carb diets. Cauliflower ice cream. A creamy and refreshing ice cream made with cauliflower and your favorite flavorings. While cauliflower is generally safe to consume, there are a few potential risks to be aware of. Foodborne illness. Like any fresh produce, cauliflower can be contaminated with harmful bacteria, such as Salmonella or E. coli. To reduce the risk of foodborne illness, wash cauliflower thoroughly under cold running water before preparing. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may have allergies to cruciferous vegetables, including cauliflower. If you have a history of food allergies, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming cauliflower. Choking hazard. Raw cauliflower florets can be a choking hazard, especially for young children. It is important to cut cauliflower into small pieces before serving to children. Gas and bloating. Some individuals may experience gas or bloating after consuming cauliflower, especially if they eat large amounts. This is due to the presence of fiber and complex carbohydrates. If you experience any adverse symptoms after consuming cauliflower, it is important to seek medical attention. Thanks for watching.